Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Day Out with Thomas.
Today is a very special day. We're going to Day Out with Thomas. We have Thomas and Percy engines competing today. And the mini Thomas or Percy on the losing side will get to go to this special event. Good luck!
Hey kids, it's the entrance. Let's go check it out.
Me too!
It's not fair! How come Thomas and Percy always get to have all the fun?
You're right! It's so sad for us other minis!
Starting things off, Crash and Repair Thomas versus Real Steam Percy.
I can't believe I'm actually here! It's like a dream come true! And look, there's Thomas! I mean me! He's a full-size engine, and all these kids are waiting to go for a ride. I wonder where they're gonna go.
It's Thomas! Here he comes!
And here goes Thomas, northbound out of the station. As he goes by, wave goodbye to Thomas.
Finally, he's coming back. Soon it's gonna be my turn to ride on him.
Next up, Search and Repair Thomas versus Percy.
Oh, this is so exciting! It's so much fun! Where am I? Oh, what's around me? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! That's the biggest Percy I've ever seen! That Percy makes me look like the tiniest mini ever! Look at him! He's so beautiful! Percy! Hey, it's me! Little mini Percy! Hey! Come back! Come back! Come get me! I want to ride on you!
And now, Muddy Thomas versus Chocolate Percy.
Wow, look! Balloons! I love balloons! That's one lucky kid getting that balloon. Look at how nice it looks! Luckily for me, I don't have to pay $12 because I'm Thomas! This is my favorite balloon ever! I'm just gonna hang out here and get an aerial view of Day Out with Thomas. I sure hope my balloon lasts a really long time.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Thomas versus Percy.
It looks like I've landed in the gift store. This place has everything. Look at towels and books and scrapbooks, and they have DVDs of all your favorite Thomas movies. And look at the clothing and hats. It's amazing. There's so many great things here to help you remember your special day out with Thomas. There's watches and patches and drinking glasses. I can't believe it. Check out all those train whistles. They've even got luggage tags and trading cards. I really want to get this exclusive Pez dispenser though. It's fun and yummy. Hey, that little Thomas is just my size.
We need to win this one. We're the last of the Thomases.
Semi-finals time, Real Steam Percy versus Search and Rescue Thomas.
I see a bunch of kids lined up. They must want Superman's autograph. Oh, never mind. They're here to see Sir Topham Hatt. Look at him. He's huge. I don't mean fat, I mean he's really big. I can't believe I'm gonna get to meet him. Look it, he's holding me in the palm of his hand. I'm such a lucky Minnie. This is the best day of my life. Well, it was so nice meeting you. Bye-bye. So long.
Real Steam Percy goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Chocolate Percy or Percy?
Look at this! I'm at the food court! I could really go for something to eat. I'm starving! What is that? Is that a giant ice cream cone? No way! That thing's huge! I gotta go check that out. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen! I can't get there fast enough! Oh, it's just an inflatable cone! But they've got real ice cream inside! What should I order? I think I'll just get some plain vanilla. Oh, that is delicious! I better eat it all up before it melts in the hot sun.
Final round. Chocolate Percy versus Real Steam Percy.
Gosh, I can't believe I'm actually here. Ooh, the Imagination Station. Let's go check it out. Look, it's a coloring page, and it's got my favorite engine. But I need crayons or markers, though. Now that's much better. Time for me to get to work. You know, I really never was one for coloring in the lines.
Congratulations, Chocolate Percy. You won a Junior Engineer Certificate.
I'm going to...
Hey kids, I need ideas for new videos. Please leave a comment and tell us what you want us to do.